So finally, Evergrande finally might be here. What are we looking out for?
Yeah, so it is expected to report earnings today. And last week we heard China extend the supporting measures to the housing industry. But honestly, it has nothing to do with Evergrande because what you have mentioned, they are going to report the delayed 2022 and 2021 earnings. So I think instead of its earnings, we are focusing on the balance sheet as well as updates for the restructuring plan because they are working with creditors for the restructuring proposal. And for the earnings announcement itself actually is a key step to maintain its listing status in Hong Kong because the trading in shares has been suspended since mid-March last year. So they are facing a delisting risk. And also anything about the trading resumption is something we are watching.
Okay, let's pivot from property to tech. Global tech, you had a downturn last quarter.
Yeah.
What are we looking out for in terms of key themes this quarter?
Yeah, so for Asia side, last week we see Samsung reported the worst decline in quarterly revenue since 2009. And overall, it may be a little bit optimistic if we say that the tech sector is rebounding in Asia. So what we are watching right now is the TSMC this week. So they may offer more guidance. And also, despite the fact that they have a lot of AI chips orders from customers like NVIDIA, but the thing is they are still affected by the sluggish demand in smartphone market. So we may see a 10% decline for the second quarter revenue this time.
Okay, I think the headline kind of gives it away, Felix, but India tech stocks, we saw it rally on Friday. What earnings are we looking at? Like Infosys, I'm guessing.
Yeah, of course. So Infosys is the second largest IT exporter firms in India. But the thing is, we don't expect to see a strong rebound in first quarter revenue because we are talking about the spending cuts in U.S. banking and financial services sector. But overall, analysts think that for the India tech, the worst has already over. So we are seeing the sentiments in the market is improving, but we still need to get more evidence during the earnings announcement.